You're sitting at your desk, same job, same paycheck, same feeling at the end of the month. Not enough. You're working hard. You're not blowing money on crazy things. But somehow, building real wealth feels like it's for other people. People who started earlier. People who earn more. People who just got lucky. There's someone out there, same age as you, probably earning less than you, who made one quiet decision in their mid-20s. They didn't get a promotion. They didn't inherit anything. They didn't hustle 7 side gigs. They just started putting $500 a month into a boring index fund and didn't stop. And right now, their net worth is on track to beat most people who will earn 6 figures their entire career. That's not motivation talk. That's math. And by the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how it works. Because if you're earning $45,000, $55,000, maybe $65,000 a year, $500 a month feels like a stretch. That's rent anxiety. That's grocery math. That's checking your account before you swipe your card. Here's the thing though, $500 is not a magic number because it's big. It's a magic number because of what time does to it. If you're 24 years old and you invest $500 every single month into a basic index fund, we're talking a simple S&P 500 fund, nothing exotic. By the time you're 65, you have $1.37 million. $1,370,000. The median American who earns $90,000 a year their entire career retires with somewhere between $200,000 and $400,000 saved. So the person earning $45,000, investing consistently, ends up with 3 to 5 times more than the person earning double their salary. The difference isn't income. The difference is time and consistency. When you start investing, even small amounts, your